Imagine this. You try to start your morning and all you get is a glitch. Dead silence. Then the file morning.exe not responding. You set the alarm, you had the plan. You were going to wake up early, journal, meditate, move your body, everything. But then the alarm went off and somehow the routine just crashed. Does that sound familiar? Most people believe that's a willpower problem, a motivation problem. Worse, they think it's a you problem, but it's not. Your morning keeps failing because you're running a brand new routine on an operating system that's never been updated for it. Hear this clearly. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You're just running on outdated code. The problem isn't your routine. It's the system your routine is running on. Here's what the diagnostic really shows. Every morning, before your eyes even open, your subconscious operating system boots up and it launches the same background programs it's been running for years. Programs like, I'm not a morning person, or I always give up, or rest is the only thing that feels safe. These aren't character flaws. They're installed beliefs, code you downloaded from your environment, your family, your past, long before you could ever filter any of it. So when you try to force a routine on top of that, it's a compatibility error every single time. But here's what changes everything. What if your morning isn't broken? It's just waiting for the right upgrade. You don't need more discipline. You need a system reboot. And that reboot starts at the subconscious level, not the surface level. Here's your 3-step reboot protocol. Step 1, diagnose before you design. Before you build your morning routine, identify the background program sabotaging it. Ask yourself, what do I believe about mornings? About myself in the morning? Write it down. That's your corrupted file. Step 2, install a new identity line first. Before your feet hit the floor, 1 sentence, out loud. I am someone whose system runs clean in the morning. You're not affirming, you're reprogramming. Step 3, start with a 2-minute micro boot. Your OS can't handle a full upgrade overnight. 2 minutes of stillness, 1 deep breath, 1 intention. That's a successful reboot. Build from there. If you want to go deeper, I created the Self-Recode Journal specifically to walk you through this process day by day. The link is below. And if you're new here, welcome to the sandbox. We don't fix you, we upgrade you. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next system update.